So they're on their marks. On the 17 boys, 100 meters. It's a good start. Kai Kelly got up well. It's Kelly and Ricketts, but the Trinidadians are motoring on the inside with Goodrich. Goodrich is ahead at this moment, but Kai Kelly comes forward. Kai Kelly wins it. Left it late, did the Jamaican, as Jaden Goodrich of Trinidad and Tobago got off to a flyer. But Kai Kelly in the end showed his class.
Well, Goodrich was in front for most of it, but we saw him pulling up just to the end. There you see him grabbing onto the hamstring. That does not look too good for him. And in the end, it was Kai Kelly of Jamaica who came back to snatch victory and to win this gold medal in the 100 meters on the 17 boys.
Well, the good news is that he's walking now.
But Goodrich had a wonderful start. Kai Kelly didn't have the best of starts, but had a very good middle and final third. It top end speed and really running back. It would have been very close between himself and Goodrich in the end, but that didn't happen. Kai Kelly, the outright winner of the under 17 boys 100 meters.
10:37. The time on the clock, 300ths of a second off the record of 10:34 by Dexter Lee.
And so we go over to Clyde, who has another athlete down there in the mix zone. Clyde, it's over to you.
Okay, so we are here